Well, hello everybody out there on the internet. This is Real Man Pones, and today I'm going to make a recipe. Yes, it's pork chops, and they're 160 calories each. So two of them is 320 calories. So it's not a big problem for dinner. So we're going to make this in my toaster oven. And first I'm going to spice them up and coat them so that we can marinate them in the refrigerator. So we got a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, we're going to put a little bit of onion powder, a little bit of garlic powder, and a little bit of Chipotle seasoning. I like this stuff. Ooh, not too much now. Alright, now we're going to turn them over and do the other side. Alright. Get it in there, get you in there. There we go. Now we go again with the salt. Pepper. Onion powder. Garlic powder. And Chipotle. Yeah. And now we're going to add a little bit of A1 thick and hearty on the top. A generous amount on each one. Get my trusty spoon and just coat those good. Come on, that's right. We're gonna love them with some A1. And there you go. And no, you don't lick the spoon after you put it on raw pork. So we'll fix that in a minute. Put that in there. And now we're gonna put the top on it, just like that. And we're gonna put it in the refrigerator for 1 hour, and then I'll be back. Well, I'm back, and it's time to put it in the oven. So here we go in my toaster oven, and then close it up and make sure we put this at 15. This is right about where it's at. Yeah. So there we go. I'll be back. Well, I'm back, and it's been 15 minutes. We're going to get my trusty handy dandy temperature probe. We need to be at 145. Oh yeah, it's definitely enough. Alrighty. So we'll carefully. I think I was off on the calorie calculations. But I can go over this one time. It won't hurt. And you, we're going to take you, very clean, very easy to do. Get some water going. Ah! And we'll fix that. I'll be back. Alrighty, and here it is. Ain't it beautiful? It's actually either 8 ounces each, so it's actually $3.20 each. That's $6.40. But that's not so bad. Just for tonight. I deserve it. That's good. Pork chops in the toaster oven.